What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about negative comments and how they can actually impact your channel in a good way. Let's get started. Now before we get too far into today's video, I just want to say thank you to all the newcomers. The channel has been growing exponentially and I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys. Also, if you guys didn't see the last video, I'll put a card for it right here if you guys want to check it out. I partnered with Iconic. Iconic makes these beautiful canvas art pieces and they're super motivating, and they actually sent me two. One of them is hanging right here in my office, and the other one I want to give to you guys. I'll put a picture of it here on the screen so that you guys can see which one I'm talking about. But I'm going to be giving it away to one of you guys. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel. When we hit 5,000 subs, I'm going to randomly select one of you guys and send it to you absolutely free. So let's talk about some negative comments. That video that went viral and got 2 million views actually had a ton of negative comments. But one thing that people sometimes don't notice or think about when they get negative comments is, you know how they say there's no such thing as bad publicity? This is kind of one of those things, because one of the main metrics YouTube looks at when distinguishing if a video should get more views or not is the amount of comments it gets. Now that doesn't necessarily mean they all have to be, hey, great video and I loved it and I can't wait to see more. It could be a negative comment, and next thing you know, that first negative comment turns into a whole conversation of people agreeing with that negative comment and then people giving their opinion as to why they don't agree with it. And next thing you know, you have 300 comments on a video that started off with a negative comment. So what I'm trying to say here is not all negative comments are necessarily a bad thing. I know when I first got my very first negative comment, it was super discouraging. It's like I'm sitting here trying to make these videos, trying to make something of it, and you have somebody going on there and just destroying you in a few comments. But you learn to get over it. It's not a big deal. It's just something that comes with doing YouTube. Now on the other hand, thumbs down actually hurt your video. So that when somebody thumbs the video down, it basically tells the YouTube algorithm, hey, this is not a good video. Either the information in it is not correct or you genuinely don't like the video. Now with that being said, guys, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button if you are enjoying this video. If you're not, give it a thumbs up anyway, because we got 2 million views on a video and I shared all the details, all the nitty gritty with you guys. If you guys want to know how much I got paid for 2 million views on a single video, go ahead and check out the link in the description box below. Now another good thing about negative comments is sometimes they could be constructive criticism. For example, if somebody comments, hey man, the lighting in your video was terrible, you should work on that. That's something that someone gives you that you can actually work on to improve your video on the next one. So even though initially it sounds like it's a negative comment or it's something that isn't beneficial to the channel, if you really dig deep into it, people are telling you what they want. So if you go ahead and fix your lighting and your next video is great, well, you could turn around and see that as a positive comment. It wasn't necessarily a bad comment. With all that being said, do you guys have a YouTube channel that you're trying to grow, or any type of platform that you're trying to grow? Have you gotten a negative comment or a thumbs down or anything like that? Let me know what you guys have done with those in the comment section down below. But there it is, guys. That's all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, as I would greatly appreciate you guys. Also, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. When we hit 5,000 subs, I'm going to be giving away a pretty epic piece of canvas from Iconic. So you guys don't want to miss out on that, but go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You'll automatically be entered. But just like that, guys, this video is over, and I will see you guys in the next one.